ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. Question 1. Ram, Varun, Avni, Josna, Sonali and Kamlesh are sitting in a row. Sonali and Kamlesh are sitting in the middle of the row next to each other. Varun and Avni are sitting at different ends. Avni is sitting right to Ram. Who is sitting right to Varun? For all seating arrangement type questions, keep the following things in mind. 1. Step by step adan break down ಮಾಡಿ solve ಮಾಡಿ. If you see all the information together, confuse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So break it down and then solve. Second, as you saw in the previous video, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ like multiple names ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ್, ವರುಣ್, ಅವನಿ ಅಂತ. Always take the initials only. Third tip is ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ they have given a row and Avni sitting right to Ram, who is sitting right of Varun. So right and left, or if it's a circle, clockwise or anti-clockwise, always be careful of directions. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ directions na verify, cross check, see ನೀವು correct ಆಗಿ if you're taking the directions and then proceed. Fourth tip is ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ first glance of the question you will not get the correct answer. You have to keep many options and then trial and error method ಅಲ್ಲಿ eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So keep that in mind. Eliminate options and perform trial and error. Now let us see the first question. Ram, Varun, Avni. Okay, so all the people, let us just write their initials in it. Avni, Jyotsna, Sonali and Kamlesh. They're sitting in a row. Row andre straight line. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ how many people are there? 6 people. So let us just put 6 places here because they're sitting in a row. Sonali and Kamlesh are sitting in the middle of the row. Middle andre this place and this place. So Sonali and Kamlesh illillidare, but Sonali alli and Kamlesh alli namge exact position question alli kottilla. So let us just write here Sonali or Kamlesh. Similarly here also Sonali or Kamlesh. Either of the two will occupy each of these seats. Okay. Now Varun and Avni are sitting at different ends. These are the ends. And who is at which end? Kottilla. So again Varun / Avni. It can be any of those two. Here also Varun / Avni. One of those two. Next, Avni is sitting right of Ram. Who is sitting right to Varun? Okay. Now Avni is sitting right to Ram. To confirm exact Ram's position, nimge Avni dinna guarantee illa either here or here. So since no information has been given to us, yellow ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ confirm ಮಾಡಿ. So Varun and Avni, let us assume Varun is here. So if Varun is here, Avni is definitely here. Okay. Now Avni is sitting right of Ram. So if this is Avni, Ram will sit here. So right side of Ram is Avni. Now S and K. So these two will also occupy immediately. So who is left now in the 6 people? Ram occupied the seat, Varun is done, Avni is done, and middle 2 seats Sonali and Kamlesh will occupy. The only one left is J, Jyotsna. So Jyotsna will come here. Our question ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು who is sitting right to Varun? This is Varun. Varun's right is Jyotsna. So the correct answer is J, Jyotsna. Option A is the correct answer. Second question. 7 classmates are sitting together forming a circle. Now in this case it is a circle. It is not a straight line, not a row. Okay, they're sitting in a circle and playing some game. They are A, E, G, L, O, R and X. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗಲೇ initials ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which is even better. Now following information has been given. L is not sitting next to G or O. A is sitting adjacent to E and G. X, who is sitting second right to L, is adjacent to O and R. Question is, who is sitting at the third left of E? Now in this case, again there's overload of information, so step by step nodana. They are forming a circle. And how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. So in circle assume madana. And let us draw 7 places. 7 seats anta. 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. L is not sitting next to G or O. Okay, we don't know any of their positions, so we can't conclude anything from this. Let us go to the second piece of information. A is sitting adjacent to E and G. Andre adjacent to both E and G, A is sitting. So let's fix a position for A. Is sitting next to E also, sitting next to G also. Andre it is obvious that A should be in between E and G. Okay, so second we have done. X, who is sitting second right to L, is adjacent to O and R. Okay, now let's come back to the first point. L is not sitting next to G or O. So we know that if G is here, L can definitely not come in this position. So L is either here, here or here. ಈ ಮೂರು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ L ಇರಬೇಕು. X, who is sitting second right to L. So ನಮಗೀಗ L fix ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, but we know 3 possibilities of L. So let us assume first case. Assume L is sitting here. If L is sitting here, X is sitting second right to L. So if L is here, first right, second right. Can X sit here? No, because G is already occupying. Therefore, case 1 is false. L cannot sit in this position. So it has to be these two. Now they're also told us X is adjacent to O and R. So similar to this point, X illi andre O is also adjacent, R is also adjacent, or vice versa also it can be itara. We don't know the exact positions of O and R to which side it is, but X is definitely in between O and R. So nimgiga, you know that 3 consecutive seats you have to reserve for R, X and O. If L is here, remaining 2 have to come here and 1 has to come here, which we cannot do. Okay, because R, X and O has to take continuous 3 seats. So definitely L is not here. So the only remaining place for L is here. Now O, X and R are taking these seats, and we know that X is in between. Now we have to fix O and R position in these remaining 2 seats. It is given to us in the first statement that L is not sitting next to G or O. So if L is here, O definitely cannot come here because it cannot sit next to O. So that leaves us with only one option of O to be in this position. And O illi andre R has to come in this position. Okay, now Ella, we have found the seats of all the 7 people. Question is, who is sitting at the third left of E? Now if this is E, how do you calculate right or left? Now assume that you're at a table, like they're all sitting around the table. They are facing the table inwards. They're facing this direction. And imagine yourself sitting in this position. If you're sitting in this position and facing the inside part of the table, what will be your right? This will be your right and this will be your left because you're facing the table. Okay, so who is sitting at the third left of E? 1, 2, 3. O is sitting at the third left of E. Correct answer is option A, O. Third question. Now, E question compared to the previous 2 questions, even more extra information. 8 people, they're sitting in a square table, and almost 6 to 7 bullet points kottidare, and who is sitting in between who. Before all this, and in fact any question nimge seating arrangement question aptitude paper al bandaga, find out what is the last question or what is the actual nimge ಏನು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Question is, where is Puneet sitting? Okay, so now let us see if we can find this out without finding all the positions of all the people given in the question. ಈಗ ಈ ಯಾವ್ದರ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುನೀತ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ, ವಿನೀತ್, ಮನು, ಸುಮಿತ್, ಮನು, ಪುನೀತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪುನೀತ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವಿಮಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಮಲ್, ಪುನೀತ್, ಡೆನಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು 3 of them are sitting together with Puneet in the middle ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು from the third point. Now come to the options. Where is Puneet sitting? Next to Archana? Definitely not, because ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ವಿಮಲ್ and ಡೆನಿ ಇರೋದು. Between Manu and Suneet? Definitely not, because Vimal and Denny is to the either side of Puneet. Adjacent to Denny? Yes, definitely, because he is sitting in between these two and Denny is next to him. Second right to Vimal? Illa, Vimal on paktane idane. So without solving the question, and even if you start solving, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಪುನೀತ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೆನಿ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.